What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to get refund on Temu without returning items. So if you're wondering how to exactly refund on Temu here without returning the items, well, this one is going to be kind of tricky. So the first thing that we need to know here is that Temu allows you to make refunds within like 90 days, so that's around 3 months, but depending on your region it might be a lot shorter, like 60 days or 30 days. So it's best to know what are the restrictions for your region. But yeah, so how do you exactly make a refund here in Temu? So first things first, go open up the Temu app here. Let's go and access the U tab that you see at the very bottom center here. Click on it, and you want to go ahead and click on your orders. Now, if your order is eligible for a refund, you could go and just click on that order, and typically in your order details, you should see a refund button on it. Now, typically speaking, it will ask you a bunch of details, like for example, well, what happened to your device, or whatever, what happened to your actual order, did you not receive it, or in this case, you may be encountering some problems, so you just need to complete that form. Now, the thing with Temu here is they have some policies that you need to adhere here. Now, the thing with Temu, if you want to refund something, you need to return the item, just in case like you change your mind. Now, if it's just because you change your mind, you need to return the item. But depending on the actual seller, sometimes they might not ask you to return the item itself. So in this case, you may need to reach out to them and see what you could actually do here. Now, specifically, most of the time, a seller will not ask you to return the item, especially if the item itself is defective. Like for example, they gave you the incorrect parts, or the actual device might be broken. So sometimes they may not, or they will not ask you to return the item itself. So there are some restrictions here in getting refunds on Temu, which is something really unfortunate here, but that's how Temu actually works right now. So yeah, so this actually depends on the seller itself. So just make sure to read what you can do on your refund. So usually they will give you a link in the refund form, and just to make sure that you know what's going to happen with your order. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.